and with acrylic, and then I will put the glue to put the rice paper like the white sheet the model has on her. Now I will finish put the golden sheet. All the bends of the model is with golden sheet. Now I am finishing. I glue it with a special glue, then I dry it a little bit, and very carefully I put it on it with a soft brush. Now the work is already finished, almost finished. The model has been very quiet in a very good position. The painting is finished. It is already signed, and we can see it to compare them, the model with painting, to see the composition, the light, the colors,